Hello everyone, this is video about list comprehension in Python. But let's begin with the simple concept of creating a list. Let's start with the empty list and we can fill it using for loop. For example, let's iterate over some range of numbers and let's put the element at the end of the list, but first increment it by 10. As a result, we get the list of numbers starting from 10, and this is very common in Python. But starting from Python 2.0, we can use list comprehensions, which are just syntactic construct which can be used to construct lists in more simple way. We start with the square brackets and then we fill it with what we will do with every element. So let's go back to this incrementation by 10, and then we follow the syntax which is very similar to the syntax used in for loop. And let's finish with the square bracket. And the result is exactly the same list that we got previously. But that's not all. We can, using for loop, we usually can put some constraint. For example, we can check if x is even or odd. That way our output list is a little bit shorter than the iterable that we have as a producer of the number. And we can do exactly the same using list comprehension and using very similar syntax to the syntax that we used in for loop. We just put this constraint right here, and as a result we obtain the list which is exactly the same that the one we obtain from normal for loop. What are the advantages of list comprehension? Well, the list comprehension is usually a little bit faster than the for loop, and I think if you have enough experience, it's actually much more simpler than the for loop presented here. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.